Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kem. In case you're curious, thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. So today I'm giving you fro vibes because my hair is growing longer and fuller, and like now I don't have a problem embracing my fro. Y'all know I used to do like more defined styles like braid outs, and I don't wear them for that long. Like once they start to get frizzy and messy, I usually restyle my hair, rebraid, retwist, or wash it and co-wash in the middle of the week, something like that. But I'm starting to accept this. Like it doesn't have to be definition all the time, Kemba. It doesn't. Like you can walk around with a fro and still be cute. So y'all let me know down below, are you team volume or team definition? Anyway, that's not why y'all are here, obviously. Just had to throw in a little tidbit in the beginning. But I'm here because I'm a product junkie. Okay, hear me out. I'm a product junkie. My curl friends had discount codes. I got a stimmy check. I got my taxes back. And brands were having sales. So tell me that's not a product junkie's biggest, wildest dream, okay? Well, it was mine. If it's not yours, maybe I'm just alone on this one. But I was super excited. I was like, there's sales and there's money flying everywhere. Like we gonna get into it. So anyway, bringing it back. I got some Product Junkie Naturals products, y'all. And I use my girl Curly Creole 337's coupon code. I will link her Instagram below so y'all can go show your support, follow her, and use her code. Anyway, I got the Marshmallow and Cucumber Ayurvedic Clay Wash. It detoxes, cleanses, conditions, and detangles. It's for textured hair care, and it is 6 ounces. It smells kind of like if you ever tried the chocolate kinks and curls, their cocoa creme clay wash, I think it's called. If you ever tried that, it kind of smells like this. It smells like marshmallow and chocolate kind of mixed together. It's me over here sniffing the stand. Oh my gosh. But yeah, and this is the texture. It looks like a clay wash. Clay washes excite me now. It's like a whole new product that I didn't really have much of, so I definitely picked up some of those over the last couple of months. The next Product Junkie Naturals product I have is from their Rosemary collection, and it's the Rosemary Matcha Green Tea Deep Conditioner. It says it's antioxidant infused deep conditioner that is formulated for dry hair in need of nourishment, and it's for textured hair care, and it is 8 ounces. Sorry, y'all, I got allergies. Anybody else got allergies? My nose and my eyes have been running. It's not cute. Oh, wow. Strong. This smells like rosemary, and it kind of gives me like a mint vibe. I don't know what matcha green tea smells like, so maybe that's mixed in here too. But I'm catching rosemary and like a minty scent. Oh, and here's the consistency. I don't want to move it too much because it's very, very runny. So I assume it will be good for detangling. Okay, so the next product I have is another clay wash, and it's from the Garden of Bloom, and it's their Cultivating Herbal Clay Mask, and it is 8 ounces. So I found out about this brand because I am subscribed to the owner. Her name is Bellin Bloom on Instagram and on YouTube, and she has beautiful hair, and she dropped a hair care line, and I had to try it, especially since I saw that it had a clay wash, and y'all know that's my new obsession. So yeah, so I had to get it. I haven't gotten any other products from this, and I don't think this one actually might have been on sale. It might have been. I think everything I have was on sale. Not 100% sure. So this is what it looks like. I'm not exactly sure why it's different colors. It smells the same as when I got it. It kind of reminds me of like seasoned rice, probably because rice has herbs when it's seasoned. Maybe that's it. So it's not like the best smelling product, but I'm still super excited to use it because all her products just look so interesting, you know, like it's just interesting things. So I can't wait to try this. I think I have another clay wash in here too. we'll just get that one out the way next. So the next brand I purchased from is Beauty Nest, and I got their Detoxify and Clarify Me Clay Wash. It's a conventional shampoo replacement and a curl activator, and it is 8 ounces. So this is one of them DIY ones that you gotta like mix your own stuff, and I don't know if I trust myself, but I really wanted to try this because I saw my girl Curls with Liz. She is on Instagram and on YouTube. She used this, her hair looked amazing, and she had a coupon code. So I was like, absolutely. This isn't the first thing she sold me either. We got some more stuff in there. I'll probably pull those out next. But yeah, so I'm really excited. This has bentonite clay, Rasul clay, matcha powder, peppermint leaf powder, lavender flower powder, nettle, and citric acid. And I'm just like, I've seen so many people like mix their own products recently, and I'm just like, do I need to get in on this? Like, do I need to get in on it? So I will let y'all know when I try this. And thank you, Liz, for showing me this brand. So the next set of products is also ones that I used with from Curls with Liz, her coupon code. And this is called D Monet's Organics. I'm pretty sure it's D Monet's Organics. And I have 2 of their deep conditioners. I have their Hibiscus Renew and Restore Deep Conditioner, and it is 12 fluid ounces. And then I have their Shea Butter and Honey Deep Conditioner, and this is also 12 ounces. So let's smell them. Unfortunately, this one came and it was like, it's a little cracked, which I'm trying to understand because they had it double bubble wrapped. So that means that the post office was really wilding when they were delivering my stuff, and I do not appreciate it, but I'm gonna still use it. Y'all, it's like filled to the top, bro. Look at how smooth that is. Oh my gosh. It doesn't really have a scent. Interesting. Yeah, like it doesn't really have a smell at all. The next one, the Hibiscus Renew and Restore Deep Conditioner, is pink, like super pink. I know hibiscus usually turns things this color, so I assume that these are like supernatural products, which is amazing. Okay, so this one has a very light, almost floral scent. Floral is not my favorite, but this doesn't smell like it's gonna be overpowering. Plus, look at the texture. Like, my hair is about to fall in love. Are you serious? Filled to the top once again. This is crazy. I cannot wait to use these. Oh my goodness. Liz's hair looked so freaking good with both of these in it, and her detangling was like a breeze. So I cannot wait to try both of these. So the next brand I purchased from is Pretty Fizzies, I believe is what it's called. And I got 4 of their products. They had a sale. I think all these were $10 each. And I've been eyeing them, been waiting for their sales, because I think they have sales every like couple of weeks or once a month or something like that. So I definitely waited for the sale because everything was $10, and they sell out really fast. Like the day of the sale, that's when they restock too. And if you're not in there that day, like what you want will probably be gone. Trust me, I know from experience. So I got everything here is like pineapple scented. I can smell them all. Like it smells amazing. Smell like a pina colada over here. But so the first product I have is the pineapple whipped shampoo. Let's see the texture. Like these smell so good. I could smell them through the package. Like when I got them out the mail, I could smell it. So it's a pretty strong scent. So if you're not for that, I would not recommend. And this is a shampoo, y'all. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy. And then I got the pineapple hair mask. And I need to definitely pay attention because these look exactly the same. Here's this. This one seems to be a little bit looser in texture, but not by much. And then I have, oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff. Then I have the Pineapple Buttercream Leave-In Conditioner. And then last but not least, this is honestly, well, this and the not butter shampoo. This is not Soultanicals. Pineapple Whipped Shampoo. This and this gel were the two that I like really wanted to try because I'm like, they look amazing. So this is the Pineapple Glaze. And when I saw it, I was like, I need this. Like, this is cute. A yellow gel glaze. And people's hair were looking real shiny with this product, so I had to get it. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. And this actually smells like pineapple. You know, like a lot of gels tend to smell like gels. Not that, well, glaze. This is a glaze. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is. But yeah, smells bomb. All of them smell bomb. Can't wait to use them. So the next brand I ordered from was Soultanicals. I have 3 of their products. They just had a sale, I believe. I don't know if it was a stimmy sale or a tax season sale. It's pretty much the same thing. Mine came pretty much at the same time. So it was one of those kind of sales, and I was like, let me go get some of these products that people have been talking about but are always sold out. So the first thing I have is the Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair, a Plant Foods Mega Deep Conditioner with biotin, folic acid, and mega greens, and it is 8 ounces. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Oh, it is green. I was like, I hope it's green. Oh, this smells so fresh. Like almost, what's that scent? What's that stuff called? Almost floral, but like not really. Like, I'm loving these products that are like florally, but they don't smell like flowers. Wow, this smells really good. I can't wait to use this. And it's like a little light green color, super smooth, super thick. Like, it's not going anywhere. Okay. Okay, the next product I have is their Frizz Whiz Curl Defining Leave-In. It is 8 ounces. I've seen a lot of people try this, and I'm just like, it was always sold out when I went to get it, and if they had it, and I was like, let me get this. So I got this, and I'm pairing it with the Sprung Coil Boosting Styling Jelly, because I haven't really gotten too far into Soultanicals styling products, and I feel like I need it. Like, I want to be able to do a wash and go with Soultanicals. Are you kidding me? So I definitely plan to use the Frizz Whiz and this. So this is definitely custard looking. Like, you know, gels are usually like more clear. It is pretty thick. Literally don't know what this smells like. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell like, oh my gosh, like it smells nice, decent, I guess. Oh, I didn't smell the Frizz Whiz. Oh no, this smells good. Oh yes, it's giving fruity, and that's what I've been looking for. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow, can't wait to use it. Okay, y'all, so those are all the products I got. It's a lot more than I thought. Once you put them together, it's a bit much. So that is all I have. Make sure you tell me down below what products you want to see me try first, because I'm here to please you. And let me know if you've tried any of these brands or products before too. But that's all I got. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. I also have all my discount codes and everything else linked down below. So check those out. See if there's any products that you would like to purchase and get a discount on me. Okay, now that's it. Bye, guys.